Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of pH. You might have heard about pH in science class or seen it on labels for pool chemicals or skincare products. But what does it really mean? In this video, we'll break down the concept of pH, why it matters, and how it affects our daily lives. From the water we drink to the food we eat, pH plays a crucial role. Let's start by understanding the basics and setting the stage for a deeper exploration of this essential scientific concept. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. It's a measure of how acidic or basic a solution is. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Solutions with a pH less than 7 are considered acidic, while those with a pH greater than 7 are basic or alkaline. This scale helps us quickly understand the chemical nature of substances around us. For example, lemon juice is acidic while soap is basic. Knowing the pH of a substance can help us use it safely and effectively. pH scale is a numerical scale that runs from 0 to 14. Each number represents a tenfold difference in acidity or alkalinity. For instance, a solution with a pH of 4 is 10 times more acidic than one with a pH of 5. The middle point, pH 7, is neutral. Pure water sits here. Substances below 7 are increasingly acidic, while those above 7 are increasingly basic. This simple scale helps scientists, cooks, gardeners, and many others make informed decisions every day. Acids are substances that have a pH less than 7. They release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water, which makes the solution more acidic. Common examples of acids include lemon juice, vinegar, and stomach acid. These substances taste sour and can react with metals. Acids are important in many processes, from digestion in our bodies to cleaning products in our homes. Understanding their pH helps us handle them safely and use them effectively. Acids or alkaline substances have a pH greater than 7. They release hydroxide ions in water, making the solution less acidic. Common bases include baking soda, soap, and bleach. Bases often feel slippery to the touch and can taste bitter. They are used in cleaning, cooking, and even medicine. Knowing the pH of a base helps us understand how strong or weak it is, which is important for safety and effectiveness in various applications. Neutral substances have a pH of exactly 7. The most common example is pure water. Neutral substances are neither acidic nor basic. They are safe to drink and use in most situations. In nature, many living organisms depend on neutral conditions to survive. Maintaining a neutral pH is important in many environments, from our bodies to natural ecosystems. It's a delicate balance that supports life as we know it. pH is more than just a number. It affects everything from our health to the environment. For example, the pH of our blood must stay within a narrow range for us to stay healthy. In agriculture, soil pH determines which plants can grow. In swimming pools, the right pH keeps water safe and comfortable. Understanding pH helps us make better choices in daily life, ensuring safety, health, and success in various activities. You encounter pH every day, often without realizing it. The shampoo you use, the food you eat, and even the water you drink all have specific pH levels. For example, coffee is slightly acidic while eggs are slightly basic. Manufacturers adjust pH to make products safe and effective. By understanding pH, you can make informed choices about what you use and consume, leading to a healthier lifestyle. Testing pH is simple and can be done using pH paper, also known as litmus paper, or electronic pH meters. When you dip pH paper into a solution, it changes color based on the pH level. This color can be compared to a chart to determine the exact pH. Electronic meters provide a digital reading. These tools are used in schools, labs, and even at home to check the pH of various substances. Litmus paper is a quick and easy way to test pH. Blue litmus paper turns red in acidic solutions, while red litmus paper turns blue in basic solutions. This simple test is widely used in classrooms and laboratories. It's a great way to visually demonstrate the concept of acidity and alkalinity. While it doesn't give an exact pH value, it helps identify whether a substance is acidic or basic. pH meters are electronic devices that measure the exact pH of a solution. They are more accurate than litmus paper and are used in laboratories, industry, and even at home for tasks like testing aquarium water. To use a pH meter, you simply dip the probe into the solution and read the digital display. These devices help ensure precision in scientific experiments and practical applications. Bodies carefully regulate pH to keep us healthy. Blood, for example, has a pH around 7.4, which is slightly basic. If blood pH moves too far from this value, it can lead to serious health problems. Our stomach, on the other hand, is very acidic, with a pH of about 2, which helps digest food. The body uses various mechanisms to maintain the right pH in different organs and fluids. Digestion relies on the right pH levels in different parts of the digestive system. The stomach's acidic environment breaks down food, while the small intestine is more basic, which helps absorb nutrients. Enzymes that digest food work best at specific pH levels. If the pH is off, digestion can be less efficient, leading to discomfort or health issues. Maintaining the right pH is key to good digestion. Plants need the right soil pH to grow well. Most plants prefer soil that is slightly acidic to neutral, around pH 6 to 7. If the soil is too acidic or too basic, plants may not absorb nutrients properly. Gardeners often test soil and adjust it using lime or sulfur. Understanding soil helps ensure healthy plants and good harvests. pH of water is a key indicator of its quality. Drinking water should have a pH between 6.5 and 8.5. If water is too acidic or too basic, it can cause problems for plumbing and health. Aquatic life also depends on the right pH. Fish and other organisms thrive only within certain pH ranges. Regular testing helps keep water safe for people and the environment. pH plays a big role in food and cooking. The acidity or alkalinity of ingredients affects flavor, texture, and safety. For example, pickling uses vinegar to lower pH and preserve food. Baking soda, a base, helps cakes rise. Chefs and food scientists use pH to create delicious and safe dishes. Understanding pH can even help you become a better cook at home. Any cleaning products are either acidic or basic. Acidic cleaners remove mineral deposits and rust, while basic cleaners cut through grease and dirt. The pH of a cleaner determines what it's best used for. Knowing the pH helps you choose the right product for the job and use it safely. Always follow instructions and handle strong acids or bases with care. Cosmetics and skincare products are carefully formulated with the right pH to protect your skin. Skin is slightly acidic with a pH around 5.5. Products that are too acidic or too basic can cause irritation. Manufacturers test and adjust pH to ensure products are gentle and effective. Understanding pH helps you choose skincare that supports healthy skin. Industries rely on pH control for many processes. In manufacturing, the right pH ensures quality and safety. For example, in paper production, pH affects the strength and color of paper. In pharmaceuticals, pH is critical for drug stability. Monitoring and adjusting pH is a key part of industrial quality control. Environmental scientists monitor pH to protect ecosystems. Acid rain, for example, lowers the pH of lakes and rivers, harming fish and plants. Pollution can also change pH, affecting wildlife. By tracking pH, scientists can spot problems early and take action to protect the environment. Healthy ecosystems depend on balanced pH levels. Maintaining the right pH in pools and spas is essential for comfort and safety. If the pH is too low, water can irritate skin and eyes. If it's too high, it can cause scaling and reduce the effectiveness of disinfectants. Pool owners regularly test and adjust pH to keep water clean and pleasant for swimmers. Fish and aquatic plants need specific pH levels to thrive. Aquarium owners test water pH to create the right environment for their pets. Different species prefer different pH ranges. Keeping pH stable helps prevent stress and disease in fish, ensuring a healthy and vibrant aquarium. Beverages like soda, coffee, and juice all have different pH levels. Soda is quite acidic while milk is closer to neutral. The pH affects taste, preservation, and even how drinks interact with our bodies. Manufacturers monitor and adjust pH to ensure quality and safety in every sip. pH of medicines can affect how they work in the body. Some drugs are designed to dissolve at certain pH levels, ensuring they reach the right part of the digestive system. Pharmacists and doctors consider pH when prescribing and formulating medications. This helps maximize effectiveness and minimize side effects. Acidic or basic environments can cause corrosion, damaging metals and structures. For example, acidic rain can corrode bridges and buildings. Industries monitor pH to prevent costly damage and maintain safety. Understanding pH helps engineers design materials and systems that resist corrosion. Farmers test soil pH to ensure crops get the nutrients they need. Some plants prefer acidic soil while others need more alkaline conditions. Adjusting soil pH with lime or sulfur can improve yields and plant health. Understanding pH is a key part of modern agriculture and sustainable farming. Fish tanks need the right pH for fish and plants to thrive. Different species have different pH needs. Regular testing and adjustments keep the tank healthy and prevent stress or disease. Understanding pH helps aquarium owners create a stable and vibrant aquatic environment. Baking relies on pH for perfect results. Baking soda and baking powder are bases that react with acids to produce carbon dioxide, making cakes and bread rise. The right balance of acidic and basic ingredients creates the desired texture and flavor. Understanding pH can help you troubleshoot baking problems and improve your recipes. Fermentation processes like making yogurt or sauerkraut depend on pH changes. Bacteria produce acids that lower pH, preserving food and creating unique flavors. Monitoring pH ensures safe and successful fermentation. Home cooks and food producers alike rely on pH to make delicious, healthy fermented foods. Brewing beer or wine involves careful pH control. The pH affects yeast activity, flavor, and clarity. Brewers test and adjust pH throughout the process to create the perfect drink. Understanding pH helps ensure consistent quality and taste in every batch. pH in your mouth affects dental health. Acidic foods and drinks can lower pH, leading to tooth decay. Saliva helps neutralize acids and maintain a healthy pH. Brushing and rinsing after eating acidic foods can protect your teeth. Understanding pH helps you make choices that support oral health. Shampoos and conditioners are formulated with specific pH levels to protect hair and scalp. Hair is healthiest at a slightly acidic pH. Products that are too basic can cause dryness and damage. Choosing the right pH helps keep hair shiny, strong, and manageable. Skincare products are designed to match the skin's natural pH, which is slightly acidic. This helps maintain the skin barrier and prevent irritation. Products with the wrong pH can disrupt this balance, leading to dryness or breakouts. Understanding pH helps you choose products that support healthy, glowing skin. Laundry detergents are formulated with specific pH levels to clean clothes effectively. Some stains are best removed with acidic solutions, while others need a basic detergent. Understanding pH helps you choose the right product for different types of laundry and keeps your clothes looking their best. Gardeners test soil pH to grow healthy plants. Some flowers prefer acidic soil, while vegetables may need neutral or slightly basic conditions. Adjusting soil pH with natural amendments helps create the perfect environment for your garden. Understanding pH is a valuable skill for any gardener. Fish ponds require careful pH management to keep fish and plants healthy. Rain, runoff, and waste can change pond pH. Regular testing and adjustments help maintain a stable environment. Understanding pH helps pond owners prevent problems and support thriving aquatic life. Acidic conditions speed up rusting of metals. For example, saltwater and acid rain can cause cars and bridges to rust faster. Understanding pH helps engineers and car owners protect metal structures and vehicles from damage. Using coatings or treatments can help prevent rust in acidic environments. The pH of water and coffee beans affects the taste of your coffee. Slightly acidic water brings out the best flavors, while water that's too basic can make coffee taste flat. Baristas and coffee lovers pay attention to pH for the perfect cup. Understanding pH can help you brew better coffee at home. Cheese making relies on pH changes to create texture and flavor. Bacteria lower the pH of milk, causing it to curdle and form cheese. Monitoring pH helps cheesemakers control the process and produce consistent, delicious cheese. Understanding pH is essential for anyone interested in making cheese at home or professionally. Soap is a basic substance with a pH usually above 7. This helps it break down oils and dirt. However, soap that's too basic can dry out skin. Manufacturers balance pH to create effective and gentle soaps. Understanding pH helps you choose the right soap for your needs. The pH of wine affects its taste, color, and preservation. Winemakers monitor and adjust pH to create the desired flavor profile and ensure stability. Wines with lower pH are more acidic and tend to taste crisp, while higher pH wines are softer. Understanding pH is key to producing high-quality wine. Acid rain is rain with a lower pH caused by pollution. It can damage plants, soil, and buildings. Scientists monitor pH in rainwater to track pollution and protect the environment. Understanding pH helps us take action to reduce pollution and its harmful effects. Swimming pools need the right pH for safety and comfort. Low pH can cause eye irritation and damage pool equipment, while high pH can make water cloudy and reduce disinfectant effectiveness. Pool owners test and adjust pH regularly to keep water clean and safe for swimmers. Acids and bases react with each other in neutralization reactions, producing water and a salt. These reactions are important in chemistry, industry, and everyday life. For example, antacids neutralize stomach acid to relieve heartburn. Understanding pH helps us predict and control these reactions. Sum up, pH is a simple yet powerful concept that touches many aspects of our lives. From health and food to industry and the environment, understanding pH helps us make better choices and solve problems. Whether you're a student, a gardener, or just curious, knowing about pH opens up a world of possibilities. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the science of pH.